You have to have a purpose. Famous American author and motivational speaker Jim Rohn said that if your why is big enough, then the how doesn't matter. What this means is that when your reasons or goals for succeeding are big enough, nothing can stand in your way. You will find a way to succeed no matter what. Developing profitable trading on a consistent basis is difficult, but if you have a big enough goal to succeed, then you will. Trading goal creates a context of possibility, like a canvas providing an artist with a setting in which to paint. The canvas shapes the magnitude and limits of the painting and sets the boundaries. Select a challenging goal, and then, within the frame of the goal, decide what you must do to trade at that level. Once you choose a goal, you will notice it gives you direction and helps to organize your time and your resources so that you can achieve what you set out to do. More than most disciplines, you will need to be 100% clear on your goal to be successful in this trading. Without clear goals, you will not succeed in trading, period. If you don't have these goals clear, it is impossible to know when your trading system is sufficient. You will also not know if your trading results are meeting your goals once you actually start trading. With no clear outcome to work towards, there is no way of knowing when to stop, nor what needs to be optimized. Your trading goal impacts everything you do in trading. Use trading goal as a lens for making decisions in the present, rather than a target to reach. Trading goals are just one aspect of setting objectives for your life. It is crucial to have your trading goals clear and in writing. But if you have no idea how these fit into the rest of your life, then you will likely struggle to find the motivation and discipline to succeed in your trading business. When thinking about your goal, imagine what it will do for you or enable you to do, and how it will increase your ability. As you begin to consciously choose your own trading goals, you will notice how much of your life has been focused on pursuing unconscious goals conditioned in childhood. You will learn how much more satisfying things can be when you begin to actively pursue consciously chosen goals. The difficulty most people have is that the goals that drive them are not conscious. If goals are not conscious, then we are not really aware of what we are working towards or why we do the things we do. If you have no written trading goals, then you are in extreme danger with your trading because you are being driven by subconscious goals. These are very unlikely to support consistently successful trading. Read a range of trading psychology books, and you will see that these subconscious goals are likely to be something like this. 1. Desire to be right. Desire to be right causes you to cut winners early and hold on to losses in the hope that they will turn around. This reduces the size of your average winning trade and increases the size of your average losing trade. 2. The desire for excitement. The desire for excitement causes you to overtrade or trade too frequently and take poor trades just to give you some action. The desire for excitement may also cause you to excessively monitor your trades, wasting time, increasing stress, and increasing the risk of mistakes. 3. Social acceptance. Social acceptance causes you to discuss your positions or performance openly, leading to emotional attachment to positions, stress about your performance, and the giving or taking of tips or advice, which can undermine the integrity of your trading system. 4. Avoidance of pain and discomfort. Avoidance of pain and discomfort causes you to not take actions that may lead to pain, such as taking a loss. If you are unwilling to incur a little pain now, the situation could deteriorate and become a much larger pain in the future. Avoidance of pain and discomfort also causes you to cut winners early and hold on to losses in the hope that they will turn around. This reduces the size of your average winning trade and increases the size of your average losing trade. Keep your dream to yourself or gingerly share it with only those you can trust to nurture it. Don't dilute your goal by sharing it with the wrong people or seeking reassurance. Protect your vision, and don't share it with anyone who would discourage you, however well-intentioned they are. Again, trading goals need to be written down and revisited regularly to keep you focused on what you are trying to achieve with your trading system as you go through the trading system development process. The tools you will use to achieve your trading goals are your willingness and desire to learn, fueled by your passion to be successful. If the willingness and desire to learn are your primary tools, then what is your medium? An artist creating a sculpture can choose to work in many mediums: clay, marble, or metal. But if you want to create a new version of your personality that expresses itself as a consistently successful trader, you have only your mindset. The medium for your artistic endeavor will be your mental environment, wherewith your desire to learn. You can restructure and install the beliefs and attitudes that are necessary to achieve your ultimate goal.